In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Freshdesk with various tools and websites so you can enhance your support flow seamlessly. If you're looking to make your customer support more accessible and efficient, you're in the right place. We're diving into two main options: adding the Freshdesk Help widget to your website and integrating through the Freshdesk Marketplace apps. Let's start by exploring how to embed the Freshdesk Help widget on your website. First things first, embedding the Freshdesk Help widget is an awesome way to give your customers quick and easy access to help content and the ability to submit tickets right from your own website. Imagine having all your support within reach of a single click. To begin, head over to Freshdesk and navigate to the Admin section. From there, find and click on Channels, then select Widgets. This is your starting point for creating a new, customized widget that suits your specific needs. Click on Create a new widget and configure it to your liking. Here, you can decide whether you want to display help articles, contact forms, or a combination of both. Once you've set everything up to meet your requirements, switch over to the Embed Code tab. You'll find a piece of code here that you'll need to copy. This code is what makes the whole process magic. Now, the final step in this option is to incorporate this code into your website's HTML. A good spot for this is typically before the closing body tag, or you might opt to place it in the footer section of your site. This strategic placement ensures that wherever your users are on your site, the widget is easily accessible. What's great about this is that it not only allows users to search your knowledge base, but also lets them create support tickets effortlessly. Plus, it's fully customizable to align with your branding. Now, moving on to option 2, integrating via Freshdesk Marketplace apps. The Freshdesk Marketplace is a treasure trove of possibilities that can vastly expand the capabilities of your Freshdesk environment. Whether you're looking to connect Freshdesk with your e-commerce platform like Shopify, power your website on WordPress, sync with CRM tools, or even automate tasks with Zapier, the Marketplace has got you covered. Start by navigating to the Marketplace section within Freshdesk. From there, you can browse through or search for the specific integrations you need. Whether it's connecting to telephony systems or survey tools, there's likely an app that fits the bill. Once you've found your desired app, go ahead and install it. The setup process is straightforward, but does vary slightly from app to app, depending on what's required. Just follow the app-specific setup instructions, and you'll be up and running in no time. The beauty of using Marketplace apps is that they allow you to enhance and connect Freshdesk with the rest of your operational ecosystem, all without the need for custom development work. This seamless integration allows you to focus on what truly matters, providing excellent customer service.